what it is.
Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour here on, this is a 16 by 20 inch artist loft canvas, and I have it all taped up and tacked and ready to go here. I'm just going to do something a little bit different. Well, not really different, but kind of the same technique, but maybe just a little bit different as far as my layout goes. I want to try to have a little bit of more negative space here in the middle. And it doesn't necessarily have to be just straight across, but just like a little bit of space in there. So I do appreciate everybody for joining my channel today. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So my base, I'm going to just use my house paint. Now for my Schmear paint, I'm using Amsterdam's acrylic, or Amsterdam's titanium white. clean up some of these edges here, make sure my corners are all good. I really love all of the cells I have. All the lacing is just beautiful. So I think I'm gonna take there's a spot here that didn't get any paint on it when I tilted. And it's kind of like right in the middle of the color, so I want to make sure I get enough paint on here so it looks like it's supposed to, like that's what it was meant to do. I like it. So beautiful, all that shimmer. Oh, I don't know about these being so big. See this right here? I don't know if you can see it, but it's dry. So I'm gonna have to get some paint and bring down to there, but look at those cells. So pretty. Sorry about that. Miss Khaleesi came in today. She's gonna go home with her mommy on Friday tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do without her here. She's been here with me since December, so but look at it, it's so pretty. Just look at all that shimmer and those cells and the lacing. It's just beautiful. Can't go wrong with purple and gold. My next one, I'm definitely gonna do something a little bit out of my comfort zone. Look at that, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And also I'm gonna be doing a collaboration with somebody, which I'm really excited about. I will give you more info on that here very soon in the next, probably the next video I put out. I'm really, really excited about doing a collaboration with her. I love her art, and it's a surprise. I don't want to say yet who it is, but she does some amazing pearl cells, and we did the 3 do's, and 3 don'ts. So it's gonna, she challenged me. She's challenging me. So, and she said I can't use 24 karat gold. Oh my gosh. Like, I was like, what? You know I love me some 24 karat gold, but it'll be all right. I'm really excited about it. But I thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video, and you will like and subscribe and share. That helps my channel out tremendously. And comment below, please. That does its thing with YouTube. The more interaction we have, the more it helps my channel. So I appreciate everybody's comments and likes and all that good stuff, and everybody who's subscribed to me. I do appreciate you all so much. If you're new to my channel today, hopefully you will like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes out. I usually post for sure on Wednesdays and Sundays. Sometimes I do a little extra one here and there, and I've been doing some of those shorts to kind of give you a little teaser before. I do those in between too. That looks like, I don't know, like I see a face, but I actually see a face here. Oops, sorry. But I also see like here the body, the hands, and like there's something in his hand, like a little I don't know, what do you call them? Gosh darn it, I can't think of what they are. Like from what I'm thinking of is from like though I don't think he had a really long nose like this would be, but like from Harry Potter, but I don't know. Anyway, I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID, and just healthy in general. And I do appreciate you guys. And have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.